He's Amir. I built an AI tool that speeds up hiring. Want to check it out?
Always ready to see something cool. Show me.
So, you saw the expression change. Did you ever wanted to make your ideas into stories, that too animated, but without having to learn animation? What if I tell you there is a tool for that? Welcome to day 143 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Today, we are going to explore Plotagon, an AI tool that turns your text into a fully animated videos, that too with characters, dialogues, and scenes. Let's dive in and see how it works. Head over to plotagon.com. The only thing is this is not a web-based application, but rather this works on your device. You have to either download on your Android phone or your Apple phone, or you also have an option of desktop app for Windows. They had it for iOS as well, but recently because of some update on iOS, they had to discontinue. Now I've already downloaded this particular application, so let me open that. So it's asking me for installation. Let me finish that. Installation is pretty straightforward. Just follow the instructions on your screen. Open the application and it will ask you to sign up. One heads up, our team experienced some issues when they used sign up with Google or Microsoft. So I'm going to use a normal sign-in method. Click on sign up. We'll use the same email ID and the name, sign up with email. So we will receive a verification code, which we just have to fetch. Verify email. Once you're done, we are all set. Click on create video. Let me first change the settings a bit because this seems to be too small. So we have create project. Click on that. And then you will have to create characters, scenes, dialogues, and everything, right? So here we click on this one. It's asking us what is the scene, right? So we can select the background. Let's assume that we are doing it in office setup. Let's take this one, right? And we can select the actors from here. You can also create your own characters. I'll not go there, but we can select characters from here. Let's say this one, and we will select one more. Let's say this one. So we have two characters. We can also mention like where will they be in the scene, right? Like behind desk, desk left, desk right, door, left armchair. So we can do it this way, right? And this one on the right armchair. Yeah, and once that is done, you can click on this particular thing, which will allow you to add the communication that they do between each other. So this is Miss Green and we have Samir. So we have already created the dialogue between these two. So I will be adding that. So firstly, Miss Green says, "Hey Samir, I've built an AI tool that speeds up hiring. Want to check it out?" And then Samir says, "Always ready to see something cool. Show me." So I'll be adding this one, and this time it is Samir. So we will add this dialogue like this. So now I can click on play.
Always ready to see something cool. Show me.
Okay, I'll have to select this one and then
Hey Amir. I built an AI tool that speeds up hiring. Want to check it out?
Always ready to see something cool. Show me.
yeah, you should have heard what they both spoke, right? You can keep adding more and more sentences to it, and you can also add notifications like answer button or beep or birds and so on and so forth, right? You can also add some music to it in the background, and once everything is ready, you can click on this particular button to render the video or export the project. Plotagon automatically adds the voice, emotions, and the motion. It's like magic. You type and it animates. Now you can also change the expression. So for example, this is neutral right now. You can say proud, puppy eyes, rage, relieved, sad, and so on and so forth. Let's put proud for this, and let's make this as thumbs up maybe. Let's try this out. So I'm clicking on this one.
Hey Amir. I built an AI tool that speeds up hiring. Want to check it out?
Always ready to see something cool. Show me.
So you saw the expression change, right? So you can play around with all of these options that they have given. We can also add text on the screen. So if you want some text to be shown here, let's say we will add that at the end. Maybe here, something like visit bizmeet.io, right? And then we come here.
Hey Amir. I built an AI tool that speeds up hiring. Want to check it out?
Always ready to see something cool. Show me.
And there you go. And of course, it's not those fancy animated movies that you can see on Disney or Pixar movies. But hey, earlier you had to spend thousands of dollars to get any animated scenes created for yourself. Now, with Plotagon, you can do it by yourself, and that too within minutes. Plotagon makes storytelling easily accessible. Whether you are a creator, founder, or instructor, or someone who loves turning ideas into visuals, Plotagon is for you. So do give it a try and share your thoughts in the comments below or in our WhatsApp community. And hey, do not forget to share this with your animator friend and ask them for their feedback on your animation skills. That's it for today. See you in the next one.